Hi guys, looking for some cool gadgets? Welcome to PK Reviews, your favorite place with awesome and inexpensive gadgets. Please comment and subscribe, and we will do our best to personally reply to your comments. Enjoy our video, and don't forget the links are in the description, so let's start today's set. Inspired by the ferrofluid substance featured in the Marvel movie Venom, this product is designed to bring your music to life by visualizing sound in stunning, ever-changing patterns. Made from durable ABS plastic with an imitation bamboo grain design, crystal diamond decoration, and high-transparency glass, this product is both visually stunning and environmentally friendly. Its built-in microphone and white LED backlight make it easy to use, and the built-in battery can last up to 8 hours on a single charge. Whether you're using it as a music mate for your hi-fi or Bluetooth speakers, a desktop creative gift, a ferrofluid display, or a stress-relieving toy, this product is sure to impress. You can even place it on your piano surface as a metronome. With its ability to dance to the rhythm of your music, this product is the perfect way to unwind and relieve tension after a long day. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the beautiful dance of the ferrofluid. This product is suitable for people over 15 years old and is a great gift for teens and adults. However, please note that ferromagnetic fluid cannot withstand extreme temperatures or prolonged exposure to sunlight, so it must be handled with care. If you're into outdoor/indoor recreation activities, there's a collapsible hammock with stand made for you. This is the world's most compact hammock with all-inclusive design that can meet your any need for hammocks or tents. Reflective guidelines and zipper pulls, guideline bungees, so your lines stay put when you store your tarp, lots of headroom in the bug net, reflective tags on the stakes, drink holders, integrated gear holder, mosquito net, waterproof top quilt, sunshade canopy, and so much more. Just under 15-pound design make freestanding hammocks for outside easy to pack and take anywhere you go. Easily to set up in 60 seconds or less, and beach hammock portable perfect for car camping, RVs, overlanders, bike camping, canoe camping, as well as closer to home like your deck, backyard, and even inside for sleepovers. Enjoy sitting across it as a travel hammock chair or lay down in it as a solo hammock. The portable folding stand sets up easily for a quick nap or nature bathing session. Enjoy the view, read a book, play on your phone, people watch, power nap, etc. in suspended comfort standalone camping hammock. Relax everywhere anytime. A great and easy gift idea for your parents, friends, family members, or elders. This mouse mover keeps your computer active. Prevents your computer from going to sleep by randomly moving your optical mouse. Must-have companion for students, professionals, and gamers. Prevents away status on Link, Zoom, Skype, WebEx, etc. Plug into a 5-volt wall charger or USB port, place your mouse on it. On-off switch with LED indicator light to easily turn OFF when not in use. Large surface to accommodate standard mouse size. Cradle for mouse that prevents it from accidentally falling off. And no software to install. No settings to mess with. Undetectable by your IT. The KeySmart Max is the ultimate gift for anyone who owns keys. Whether you're looking for a practical gift for a friend or family member, or you want to treat yourself to the ultimate key organization tool, the KeySmart Max is the perfect choice. It makes your keys compact, organized, and never lost. Truly, your most advanced and smart EDC made available today. With tile tracking technology, you can ensure that you never lose your keys again. Simply attach a tile to your keychain and use the accompanying app to track its location in real time, wherever you go. Thanks to the Tile Tracker technology, you can easily locate your keys on a map using the free Tile app, or make your keys ring when they're misplaced. If you lose your phone, you can press a button on your KeySmart Max to make your missing phone ring. Even if your device is on silent mode, your KeySmart Max smart key can still trigger it to ring. Simply double-tap the Tile button on the keychain. The KeySmart Max is intelligently designed to hold up to 14 keys and attachments, making it the perfect everyday carry item. Its compact size ensures that it fits easily into your pocket, purse, or backpack without adding any space. X-Torch LED light. The only rechargeable USB and solar flashlight lantern that you can count on. In addition, it is an emergency, backup phone charger. Reliable light and power for safety when you need it, anytime, anywhere. One device that does it all, whether you are at home, work, or camping. It is tough enough to be used around the world for disaster relief. This is a must-have, solar-powered flashlight. It's a rugged and durable design, with the LiFePO4, better than lithium battery, stays charged in storage for 3 years. This solar table lantern, hand torch light, and hanging tent light will make your fellow adventurers jealous. There are 2 ways to charge this camping flashlight, either by using a USB adapter, cable and USB adapter not included, or sunlight. It takes about 1.5 hours to charge via USB or 22 hours in full sun. A full charge will power the light for up to 48 hours. The X-Torch glows in the dark and it floats, and offers up to 400 lumens of light output. The all-in-one, X-Torch off-grid, emergency flashlights, lanterns, and backup cell phone charger is ideal and gift for anyone. If they have a car, home, or RV, if they hang out at the park, camp, or hike, then this clip-on portable LED light is ready to answer their needs. ESVA's 4MP indoor camera. Security Wi-Fi camera C6W records videos in 2K resolution, rendering crisp details even in 4x auto zoom. 360-degree field of view ensures the indoor PT camera a full coverage. With Tour WDR technology, everything shows the most natural status even when being recorded in the backlight. With 2 powerful infrared lights, it switches between day and night smartly and captures movements up to 10 meters away at night, presenting clear images in recordings. When being triggered, the auto-zoom tracking function enables the smart indoor camera to automatically zooms in up to 4 times to track a moving object. Smart human detection only focuses on human-shaped movements, ensuring a more precise and effective detection, and thus avoids false alarms. When being triggered, an instant message will be sent to users' mobile phones and emails immediately. The camera makes an adjustable sound to alert the users, with the video being recorded at the same time for further checking what's happening. With instant alerts, you know you are under 24/7 protection. The D3 little speaker checks all the boxes of the best magnetic Bluetooth speaker that many consumers need. It is portable, durable, easy to use, and offers the ultimate listening experience to its users. Its unique design serves several purposes, while its ability to attach to any surface makes it a versatile speaker. We believe these features make the D3 little speaker worthy. The little speaker has 9 built-in magnets, which can be attached to any metal surface such as refrigerators. With the metal ring in the package, this magnetic Bluetooth speaker can be installed on any surface such as glass, doors, cabinets, etc. Music anytime, anywhere without taking up any space and easy installation. Compatible with iPhone December 13th, 14 Mini Pro Max, compatible with MagSafe phone case, can be directly attached to the back of the phone as a stand, watch movies, browse TikTok, video chat, and play music through the little speaker. This compatible MagSafe speaker can also be used through metal ring, gives the same functionality to other phones. Although the size is small, it can play for up to 8 hours and only needs to be charged fully for 1.5 hours, which can meet all your daily needs. As a small and mini Bluetooth speaker, its using experience can fully satisfy you. 2 little speakers can be synced together, providing a surround sound system with the volume controlled by a user's Bluetooth phone or computer's volume control. Ebotta Shower Bluetooth Speaker Waterproof shower speaker is thoroughly resistant to water, dust, and sand. You can get it wet, muddy, covered in snow, and then hand wash it when you go in. The water vapor in bathroom will never interfere with the sound quality of the waterproof speaker. Its IP67 protection even withstands complete submersion in up to 1 meter of water for up to 30 minutes, and even float after taking a plunge. Waterproof shower Bluetooth speakers can light up your life. You can enjoy the LED light show when you're using the portable wireless Bluetooth speaker. Listen music. Night light changing wireless speaker with 5 patterns of LED light. Let your life become more interesting. This cool LED Bluetooth speaker can be as a gift for men, women, your friends, girls, boyfriends, or kids. Double the sound and color by pairing 2 speakers via a single Bluetooth device to play simultaneously. Form a wireless left and right channel system to deliver you true stereo sound. The waterproof portable speaker with rugged rubber housing, with a carabiner so you can hang the portable speaker on backpack, bicycles, carts and anywhere you like, so it's perfect for travel, hiking, camping, and more outdoors/indoors activities. Compact palm-sized body, built high-capacity 2000 mAh battery and shower waterproof speaker, support for music playback long, determined by volume, LED patterns, and audio content of speaker played. The shower Bluetooth speaker sound was nice and crisp, distortion-free at maximum volume 5W driver output for delivering full range and powerful sound and support 8.2dp. Bluetooth 5.0 technology has a better and stable signal and high transmission rate ensure the reliability. Ebotta Shower Bluetooth speaker supported to connect with all iOS Android devices, phone, computers, and even Echo series. Outstanding connection range of up to 33 feet and built-in microphone for hands-free calling mean more flexibility for you. RAK Hammer Multi-Tool. This is one of the must-have present for anyone looking to expand their collection of tools. Each of these cool gadgets for men arrived ready to give to a dad, husband, friend, or avid DIYer who has everything and wants nothing. This multi-tool hammer features many handy instruments including a hammer, pliers, serrated knife, saw, wire cutter, prying claw, nail file, bottle opener, flat and Phillips head screwdrivers. With the versatility of the Swiss Army, the multi-tool knife features the most common items needed for a task. A perfect sidekick for backpackers, truckers, mechanics, outdoorsmen, or adventurous fathers. Dimensions 5.5 inch x 2.75 inch. These emergency survival tools are made of hardened stainless steel that's tough enough for any project. The camping multi-tool also features a safety lock to prevent accident or injury. Its compact and super lightweight design makes it ideal for travel. The camping hammer takes up little space in a suitcase or backpack while keeping you prepared for anything. Phimocus Fidget Spinner. Fidget Spinner, a latest design from Phimocus, which is designed for various age groups to relieve stress and worries. It is suitable for passing time, calming and concentrating. It can bring you peace and improve your creativity. The rotation time is more than 5 minutes. With silent bearing, it is caused by the initial spin. It can make the sound less than 15 decibels, and it can be disassembled and assembled. The rotation time is controlled according to the external force. The greater the power, the longer it lasts. Glow in the dark, point a flashlight to fidget spinners. It will absorb the luminous light in 2 to 10 seconds, and the light could be released when rotating in a dark setting, flashlight included. The product material is 100% aluminum alloy, and the cover is polished. While ensuring quality, fidget spinner metal is also stable in terms of use and function. Fidget spinner is small in size, easy to carry. And the product is beautifully packaged. Perfect holiday or birthday gift for friends and relatives.
Game over. Oh man. Oh. Alright. What can I do now? Tetris.